what's up? Thanks for clicking on this video. Don't worry, you clicked the right one. It's still a GoPro in front of your eyes. By the way, my name is Jace and welcome to another relaxing tech video. This time, it's the basics of putting protective glasses on your GoPro action camera. So sit back and relax as we roll the intro. As you can see, I'm holding a fairly new GoPro camera with protective plastics on its screens and lens out of the packaging. But actually, I've already been using this now for roughly 3 months. So one of the first things you want to do with a new action camera like this is to put on screen guards or protective glasses. And this is what I've got, the D-Yard screen guard, bought from Amazon with a best-selling tag. And here's what you can get from the pack. A quick read on the instruction sheet can give you an idea on how to do the glass installation process, which is usually what many people do, including me, in some occasions. But in this video, we'll try to do the process in a bit complicated but more accurate way of doing it. Before starting, make sure that you have a clean, dust-free work area and you have all the materials and components you need: the main screen glass, the front screen glass, and the lens guard. Of course, your cleaning materials and your GoPro camera. You want to start by carefully pulling the protective plastic off the main screen and then try to test fit the new protective glass to see how you're going to position it on installation. Now you want to press the glass tightly in place. As you try to hold its position by putting guide stickers. Yes, it's better to apply 2 of this for the main screen because of its size. Make sure that before you stick the guide onto the GoPro's body, the glass is held in the position you desire. You see its purpose? Now carefully remove the thin plastic sheet on the glass and do a final check for any micro objects on the GoPro screen before finally letting the glass stick onto it. The glass should automatically stick itself onto the screen, but will still require some outward pressure to make sure no bubble of air is caught in any part of the surface, including the edges. Now you only need to repeat the same process for the front screen and the lens. Making sure that each surface is clean before sticking on the glass. The dust sticker in the packaging can be of help on this regard. you may choose not to put on a glass on the lens cover, since this is replaceable. If you're concerned that the protective glass may affect the quality of the lens or the sensor's clarity. However, in my case, I didn't notice any problem or any changes at all. One of the main concerns of many GoPro users when it comes to application of a screen guard is the touch sensitivity of the main screen. For me, most of the time, it is still a bonus problem, since GoPro's camera's touch sensitivity is already a given challenge for its users, even without a protective glass on it. But so far, for me, it is still somehow bearable. Okay, I think we're through with the installation process. Let me just show you now some inspection B-roll for visual digestion. By the way, if you're new in this channel, let me thank you for watching up to this point. Oh, thanks as well to my amazing subscribers. In this channel, I make tech-related contents, and I'll appreciate if you can support my work by subscribing to this channel and activating the bell, because I'm still working my way up to monetization. Again, thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Are you seeing clear?